वेलकम टू द ब्रॉडकास्ट। स्वागत आप सभी का यहाँ पे। होपफुली यहाँ पे हमारे जितने भी रिस्पेक्टेड सीनियर पेंशनर्स हैं स्वस्थ होंगे सारे, बिकॉज द इम्पॉर्टेंट थिंग इज़ हमारी हेल्थ है दोस्तों यहाँ पे, बिकॉज यहाँ पे वी आर टू एज्ड। सो स्टार्ट करते हैं विद द ब्रेकिंग अपडेट दैट वी हैव हेयर फॉर ऑल ऑफ यूज दोस्तों। सो प्लीज़ सब्सक्राइब कर लेना दोस्तों चैनल को, एंड वी गोना शेयर दैट। एंड सबसे इम्पॉर्टेंट दोस्तों, अभी व्हाट्सएप चैनल के ऊपर हमारा अभी एक नया बैंक स्ट्रीम का चैनल वहाँ पे खुल चुका है व्हाट्सएप के ऊपर, तो कम्युनिटी टैब में जाके आप वहाँ पे दोस्तों सब्सक्राइब कर सकते हैं। मैंने लिंक वहाँ पे शेयर कर दिया है। तो वहाँ पे काफ़ी इम्पॉर्टेंट जो अपडेट हैं वो उधर पैरेलली मैं शेयर करूँगा, एंड दैट वहाँ पे कोई एडवर्टीजमेंट एंड ऑल दैट वो जो यूट्यूब का है वो नहीं आएगा दोस्तों। सो वो इम्पॉर्टेंट वहाँ पे काफ़ी चीज़ें हम क्विकली शेयर करने की कोशिश करेंगे। सो स्टार्ट करते हैं विद द ऑफिशियल अपडेट दैट वी हैव हेयर फॉर ऑल ऑफ यू दोस्तों। दैट इज़ ऑल इंडिया बैंक रिटायरीज फेडरेशन 20 सितंबर 2023 का जो सर्कुलर है, दैट इज़ बीइंग रेफर टू श्री ए के गोयल जी, चेयरमैन इंडियन बैंक एसोसिएशन, कैंप न्यू दिल्ली। Respected sir, regarding premium rates announced by IBA for retirees for renewal of policy for 23-24 and steep and disproportionate increase in rates and other issues. We wish to invite your kind attention on IBA circular letter number dated 18 September announcing premium rates for renewal of health insurance policy for the retirees 23-24. We find the premium rates जो approved करे हैं by the IBA are too much steep, disproportionate and unbearable for the retiree community. There is a widespread disappointment among 5 lakh bank retirees who are all senior citizens, and many among them are 85 plus and family pensioners. Your attention may be invited on the fact that after introduction of group medical scheme GMS for retirees in 15-16 as welfare measure with modest premium of about rupees 7500 for 4 lakh policy, large number of retirees starts depending on this policy for their health management, leaving other options. But we find this year premium rates have gone too much, as rupees 1,28,420 rupees for non-domiciliary and as high as 3,91,959 domiciliary. So we strongly lodge our protest against this steep and unbearable increase in rate of premium for retirees and defective methodology जो कि अडॉप्ट करेगी है दोस्तों। जैसा कि आपको पता है CLC ने भी अभी जो हमारी रिप्रेजेंटेशन है फॉर कंसाइलेशन एंड प्रोसीडिंग्स आर गोइंग ऑन फॉर द फाइनल डिस्पोजल, वो इसकी जो लेटेस्ट मीटिंग आई थिंक 25 सितंबर को है दोस्तों। यहाँ पे आप देख सकते हैं, however to our surprise during pendency of the matter before CLC for final disposal, to overcome problem of violation as pointed out by AIBRF, parties to the settlement dated 25th May 15 IBA and United Farmer Banking Union signed MOU on 19th July 23, separating retiree policy from employee policy, so the grievance of retirees to change uniform premium rates as per the provisions of settlement automatically collapses and gets nullified. The above method adopted by the parties to the settlement, how far it is correct and legally tenable, particularly when the matter raised by AIBRF is already under active consideration of CLC. Settlement entered in 2015 was duly approved by the government and filed under Industrial Dispute Act, placing one section of retirees into highly disadvantageous position while keeping employees' rights intact and immediately acting on the revised provision also. We feel that this issue needs to be reconsidered and revisited by your good self, and premium rates may be fixed uniformly for employees as provided in the settlement dated 25th May 2015. But we find that even premium of base policy जो कि 2 लाख की है जो इंट्रोड्यूस हुई है फॉर द रिटायरीज with several capping reducing benefits by almost 50% has been fixed at rupees 26,454, while premium for rupees 2 lakh policy with full benefit without capping was at 27,000 557 last year. So without any reduction in premium, claim benefits have been reduced by almost 50%. Further, we find that policy for retirees with capping with almost similar terms and conditions are being offered to retirees of SBI, Bank of Maharashtra who are part of United Farmer Banking Union and IBA at much lesser premium. For instance, SBI is offering to the retiree policy of 3 lakh 50% more than IBA base limit is रुपीज़ 19,000। 3 लाख की पॉलिसी SBI की वो 19,520 का प्रीमियम है। बैंक ऑफ महाराष्ट्र भी ऐसी ऑफर कर रहा है 2 लाख की पॉलिसी और उसका प्रीमियम बनता है 19,000 विद ऑलमोस्ट similar terms and conditions. Many other public sector insurance companies offering policies to retirees at much lesser premium. It seems that while approving name of National Insurance Company as L1, these ground realities which could have gone in favor of retirees opting IBA policy have not been factored and taken into the consideration. So ये दोस्तों यहाँ पे important है. Terms and conditions of tender document floated inviting bids appears to have been designed in such a way that major portion of premium was kept outside the preview of L1 stipulations, giving full freedom to L1 bidder to quote any premium for super top-up policy and still remaining L1 for securing approval. So in this connection, your kind attention is invited on close to commercial bids, keeping top-up policy for retirees out, L1 preview and maintaining silence on top policy to the employees. So if major portion of premium was to be kept outside preview of L1, we are unable to understand the logic and object of adopting tender rules. So it has highly punished the retirees heavily by fixing unbearable rates of premium for top policy. So the result of adopting the above method of tender is that top-up IBA policy premium this year for rupees 1 lakh is 27,155 against last year premium of rupees 3730, whooping an unprecedented increase of rupees 23,425, and for top-up policy of rupees 5 lakh the premium is rupees 70078 against last year premium of rupees 15,180. So why following this irrational and defective method of inviting tenders has broken financial backbone of retirees, and this can be the method of affordable policy to the retirees is nothing but heavy punishment. So यहाँ पे ये लिखा गया है दोस्तों CC to CLC and to Mr. श्री ब्राजेश्वर शर्मा जो कि सीनियर एडवाइजर हैं HR and IR के. So अभी we humbly request you to consider the issue fresh and order fresh process to approve rate of premiums as per provision of settlement dated 25th May 2015. So दोस्तों सब्सक्राइब कर लेना यहाँ पे भी एंड व्हाट्सएप चैनल के ऊपर भी दोस्तों. थैंक यू.